Oh.
All right, here's three little birds. Here's the intro. I'm going to play that for you first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and... Same thing occurs for the chorus, except there's just a change in the third measure. So check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Repeat. Sorry, I'm gonna start that over again. 1. Again. Okay, so now we're gonna play the verse, right? And I'm taking the guitar part but putting it in the right hand here. Now what I wrote on the page for E is that our hands are gonna go this way, but I liked what you did. You did your hands the same direction. That's pretty cool. Let's try it that way. Here's the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. E. A. D. A. E. Chorus. Right? So, that's the idea. I would say some things to work on here would be this. I would work on, in the chorus, you're going to want to land the third note. Check this out. You're going to want to land this third note, da-da-dum, on the second left-hand hit. Da-da-dum, and make that a loop until that gets comfy, like this. That's going to be an important thing. So the left hand plays, then two right hand notes play, and then together. Like that. And then immediately after is the pinky. So it does this. That's going to be important. And then it all comes back down again together. So you want to look vertically. Where are the parts that match up? It matches up there on the second left-hand hit and on the third left-hand hit. Okay? And then you're going to want to check this guy out. You're matching up on the second note. Dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun. And actually, I simplified this part. It really does this, if I remember correctly. Right? But what I've written here, simplified, will work just fine. Good. Check all that out. Are you still recording? Yeah,
yes.
Nice. All right, good. I think that'll get you started.
Did you show the back page?
Yeah, the back page. Sure, let's see. I stole this measure from the chorus. And then go right back into it on the verse. So this part again. Oh no, I do this in the verse. Because we're coming from, I'll just play the whole verse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Oh yeah, I guess I didn't talk about that. Let's talk about this rhythm for a second. So we start together on the and of 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and is when we're going to land. Okay, on the and of one. After you say one, so it's the and after that. Now, check this out. Here's pretty interesting. We're going to go together, then right, left, right, left, right. And then together at the end. And that makes a really cool rhythm. It goes like this.
Should tell them where we are so they know where to come if they want to play the song.
No.
No, okay.
All right.
I'm just gonna
So,
show them the back.
yeah, I would work on that. All right, so let me get you caught up to that spot. Here's halfway into the verse, okay? Don't worry about a thing. Right? There we go. That's how it goes.
I'm gonna
Sweet.
show them
I think we're good.
back. Sorry.
That's okay. Do your thing. All right, sweet.
Give them a nice long time to get it
I think holding it
memorized.
still would be better than shaking it.
I'm
that
really
thing.
good at standing still. I was
All right,
shaking
cool.
the
I think
whole
that's good
time.
enough.
And